Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use your phone to sign into YouTube TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have YouTube TV and you want to go ahead and sign in using your phone. How do you actually go about doing so? So in order to do this, what you're first going to go ahead and do is that you can either type on your phone tv.youtube.com/start, or you can scan this QR code with your phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my camera and scan the QR code. Click on the yellow as soon as it appears, and then it's going to have you log in. So as you can see here, it says connect to a device, and just make sure the code on the device matches the code on your TV. So we're going to click on continue. After you click on continue, it's going to have you log into your email. So this is where you log into your email. So I'm going to click on go ahead and log in using my email. So after you log in using your email, it's going to confirm that you want to connect to your YouTube TV using your email. So we're going to click on connect. And as you can see, it now says success, your device has been connected. So after a couple of seconds, your YouTube TV app should go ahead and restart, at which point you can now go ahead and start using your YouTube TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log in to YouTube TV using your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.